bring her out here so I can get her swimming in. Good job, Jessie. Good job, Jessie. You want me to get her and hand her to you? Hi, Graham. Hi, Graham. Hi, Princess. Uh-oh, Daddy's gonna take you out, make you swim. Yep. Come on, Graham. Good girl. Was it over her head or was she not swimming?
A little bit. Just going for a teeny bit.
Good girl. What you doing, Jess? Lexi, where you going? Where you taking baby? Lexi, get over here. Leave the little boy alone. Lexi. Oh, for the love of God. Lexi, leave the little boy alone.
Hey.
They won't bite you.
Come over here.
Come on, get over here. Brady, get over here. Come on, Dylan. Lexi, why did you have to start that and get that poor little boy? Come on. Come on. Brady, come on. Come on down to the water, buddy. Brady rolling around in the sand. Dylan. What is that, Dean? Like a big thing to lay on? A big mat?
It's like a wrestling mat.
Yeah. Whoops. Here come the boys. Good boy, Jesse. Good boy, Jess. Good job. Dylan do his normal walking through the water. Yummy, come on. Oh, for the love of God. Guys, that's just Connor and Caden. Come on, Jesse, bring your toy over here so Daddy can throw it. Guys going swimming? Brady, what you doing, bud? Come on, Graham. Come on, Grammy. That's right, Lexi. Go right in the water. Come on, Lexi, out here. Lexi, come out here with Mama. Come on. Good boy, Bubs. You got sand all over your nose, buddy. Good job, buddy. Good job, Brady. Good boy, Bubs. Gene, look at Brady. Came right in here with me. Good boy, buddy. Throw it away from the weeds unless you're going to get it.
I'm going to beat him to it.
Oh, Jesse! What happened, Jesse? Did Caden beat you to it, bud? Look at Brady. Wow, Dean, look at Brady. Wow. Good job, Bubs. Oh my God, look at him. Good job, buddy. Good job, Bubs. Are you coming over to Mama, buddy? Good job, Brady. Wow, he's never done that.
Good job. Good job, boys. Oh, it's nice and warm here. There's no big sharks in the water.
What you doing, Lexi? You coming in because Brady's being congratulated on swimming, so you figure you better come down in?
That's probably about right.
Yeah. She says, if somebody's getting some praise, I better get in there and get it myself. Duty bud. Duty bud, come out here with Mama. What you doing, Duties?
Right.
Come on, Graham.
Right.
He's not used to having kids in the water with him.
Where's Dylan? Oh, there he is. Dylan, what you doing over there by the kayaks, bud?
Yes.
Look at Brady. Wow. Look at Brady. Holy moly. Go, Brady. Come on, bud. Come on.
Go on, Jesse. Go get it.
Jesse, come on, bud. Come on. Come on, Brady. Oh, what's wrong, you big chickens? What you doing, Jesse? Come on, bud. Right here. It's right here, buddy. It's right there. It's right there. There you go. Good job, buddy. What you doing, Graham? Good girl, Graham. Look at her. Go get the toy, Grammy. What do we do, Dad? What do we do? Come on, Jesse. Teach her like you talk. Look at Brady. Wow, I'm impressed. I can't believe Brady's out here swimming. Brady, you swimming with Caden? Good job, buddy. Good job. Oh my gosh, Dean, I didn't even look. Look. Grammy, good girl. Good girl, Gram. You're way over your head. Good girl, baby. Come on, you can do it. Good girl. Almost there. Almost there. Come on. Good girl, Grammy. Holy moly, good job.
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't even see her coming out to me. All right.